Hey y'all, this is Daniel giving you one of our handmade knife reviews, showing you one of my favorite styles to make. This is my neutral style Euro. So neutral style meaning for the handle, a nice neutral curve in there. They call that a French curve, ear curve, because depending on how and who you are. Excuse the oil right here. This is 52100 high carbon. This wax is put on here to protect it from rust and patina. Into the blade, it is a nice high polished blade. This once again does have Howard's wax on it to protect it. You're going to have a jade green G10 handle. This is natural G10, very durable material, 3 nickel silver pins. Blade over here is going to be the European style at about 8 inches, nice belly and flat to do a lot of versatile work. And you're going to have a handle length of 5 and giving you an overall of 13 inches. A great chef's knife for any kitchen. You guys have any questions, check us out.